Why did I story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me, my mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it. What's the deal, gang? What's the deal? Brrr, wake up. How's everybody doing? Benishvili, how are you? Good. What's going on, chat? What's the deal? What goes on? Damn, we said this yesterday. Probably not coming down here until we come back test 30-40 areas. 30-46 now. It's funny. I know water's good, but is sparkling water good in the morning? I feel like having sparkling water. It's just bubbles. Yeah. It's just bubbles. It's the best.
It tastes like gay beer. That's funny. You know, now that you mention it, it does kind of taste like gay beer. Like if beer was gay, this is the taste. It's pretty gay. Yeah. Yeah. It's a pretty gay taste. Gay. All right. Stop messing around before they start letting women into our bathrooms. Ain't trying to have that. So, who's ready to witness history here? You guys got your history books out? Man, fuck history. I'm here for the bitches. Fuck history. Oh, man. Sergio keeps trying to come into the Zoom, but he keeps bouncing off the door. Or is that a different Sergio? Oh, what are the chances of two different Sergios? It's probably a total of two Sergios in the entire world. Yo. That door is closed, bro. Yo, the JFK files are out. Who killed him? Did anyone announce? Are there any like news organizations that have gone through all 80,000 pages overnight? Let me look it up. JFK files.
Hey, Wicks.
Yo.
I was just in Dallas about a month ago at the the book observatory where they supposed to shot him at. That was interesting.
Went up on that hill.
Yeah, the grassy knoll, all that. I was in all that. Trying to figure it out.
Kenny was walking around with a magnifying glass. I know there must be clues here somewhere.
Shells, some extra shells around here.
Yeah, sir, you okay, sir?
Some hours. It was a good look.
He's like, damn. So the next time Trump drive through here, like that building. Yeah, that's crazy though. I want to know who really killed him, and if what we know is what is the truth.
There's at least 3 gunmen.
Is that what they said?
Yeah, they said because that spot was perfect for the all try You had
No,
one
but is
person.
that what they said today after the
Oh
files
no,
were
no,
released?
I don't know about today. I've been at work. I ain't here yet.
Yeah, I didn't take a look either. Good morning. But we have video proof that the driver is the one who actually shot the fatal shot in his neck and in his head. They didn't come from the back. They were able to go back and take a
I
look at many,
mean,
many
his
different things.
brains were blown out on video
Yeah, but this is
from
back
the
in the
back.
60s. So
I
not
mean, he was
really, really
shot. I don't
great.
think it was through the head. I think it was through his neck.
Yeah, multiple shooters
Oh,
through
it
his
was his
neck.
neck also. It was a shot in his neck and his head.
Correct. And it's a combination of 4 different things. So JFK didn't want the Italian mafia to have power over the ports. They used to, and they tried to make a deal with him, and they said, listen, we'll make you president if you let us control the ports. And he said, no. They still made him president. And then he went after them and started cracking down on them. So at that time, just a little bit before that, the Israelis stole the nuclear bomb from the States. So they took it all the way there, and he didn't want them to have the power to do that. So at the time, what is called AIPAC today was something called different at the time that Mossad was controlling on behalf of Israel. So when they did that, he didn't want them to have that power because then he couldn't control
Yeah, I get the
what
story,
they would do
but
with it.
I want to know if the files released overnight confirm all that.
Well, there's a lot in there. I didn't get a chance to read.
They released
but
80,000 pages. There's over 6 million pages of records on JFK. The entire collection is over 6 million pages. So, like, who the fuck had time to go through this shit? 6 million, and because they got, you know, the news networks, they have entire teams. They got like 20, 30 people going through the thing overnight to drop the news. So
I'm not surprised. The number one person who said let's take him out was LBJ, the president prior to him, because Kennedy did not respect him. And there are video recordings of that actually occurred from a former person that worked for him. And then LBJ was a massive, ruthless president. He killed almost everybody that knew stuff about him. And only one person actually survived because they had blackmail on LBJ. So they actually imprisoned him for 30 years. When he got out, the actual tapes, he had hidden them with family members. And then they started showing them and listen to them these days. And you can hear him take out hits. He wanted to take out Kennedy because he disrespected him. So that in combination with everything in the Secret Service, he had so much power, LBJ. He knew so much about so many people that it was all part of everything.
are we talking about LeBron James or Lyndon B. Johnson, bro?
Lyndon B. Johnson, obviously. And
I don't know. We got some young kids in
yeah.
here. You say LBJ, they're like, I know LeBron was that old.
Yeah. So no. And so it's a combination of all 4 things. So you have Mossad with the nuclear bomb. You have LBJ because he was disrespected and insulted. You have the Secret Service because they were all still working for LBJ basically because he had dirt on them. And the Italian mafia because they wanted to control the ports and he didn't want to give to them. So it was a combination of everything. Of course, him being the first, or I think it was the first Christian president in modern time. So that didn't help because he wanted to do things differently like Trump is doing now. That's why they're trying to kill Trump and attack him and do all that. So that's what went down. So hopefully the files show all that proof, because then they will show really, truly how people really were back in the day.
Yeah, back in the day.
This is not long ago, man. This is 60 years.
Well, I know. I'm saying it ain't nothing changed. Them people still around. They still think the same way.
Yeah. Well, LBJ is not there anymore. Italian mafia is there, but the people that controlled it back in the day are not. Mossad is still there. This is the biggest threat, obviously. And they had the nuclear bomb.
Technically,
the US
anyone
never went
who's
back
had
to get
anything to do with it is long
close
gone.
to being dead. Well, you have some people who just died a few years ago, like 5 years ago, in their 80s. Some were quite young. So you still have some people alive, I believe.
Damn. So why is nobody talking about it? Is there like really no bombshell news and like there's no news about it? I'm just looking through the news networks. Nobody's talking about JFK files. What are they hiding, yo?
Yeah, that's why you can't listen to the mainstream media. You gotta go on X and Rumble and Truth Social to get the facts. They won't censor anything and won't hide all that stuff because they're controlled by one group.
I get my facts from The Onion. The Onion and sometimes the National Enquirer. It's my go-to for news.
Good for you.
Sometimes I'll throw in TMZ. No, I think over the next few days you're going to see a lot of shit, like a lot of like news articles written on it. What's going on? That opened pretty ugly on the hourly. It's created a top wick, came down, made this bottom wick, rebreaking the wick, rebreaking the highs. See if we get some closures below 41 for our 2BO. Our 2BO. Right? If we can come down here. Close below 41. Do something like this. We have closure below, took us down to here, closure below, took us down to here, closure below, down to here, close below, took us down to here, at the very least, this area. So let's see, we can use that as an advantage point and then have runners to the bottom of the range if we close below. And it's possible if we end up respecting this high, that's exactly where the wicks come off from, right there. So if we can respect that area and come down here, that would be really interesting on the next 1 hour candle. We will look for this top wick. But if we stay right where we are, this might be, yeah, this might be the next 1 hour candle right here, and then we get in. So some waiting involved. And we start coming up here. We're gonna need some closures above the overall highs for all-time highs, and we will look to play the pullback on the following candle. Jeez. Los pollos hermanos. That's not a range 2 for the sells. It is on a smaller time frame. Trading FOMC. I will not be trading in the daytime today. Wait, hold on. What? FOMC? 2 p.m. FOMC statement. Economic projections. I mean, they're not expecting a change, right? There was no talk about the rates changing, right? Yeah, I think it should be flat.
They're expecting it flat, but apparently Powell's saying, "Don't worry about it. We're going to help the economy." Because Trump is doing the tariffs, so
Yeah,
the markets are coming
Powell
down.
is over there
But that's
right
a
now
good thing.
planning out his buy stops.
Yeah, pretty much.
He's got his entire family right now on a fucking Zoom call with Nancy Pelosi fucking over listening,
Yeah, that bitch.
overseeing the
Yeah.
meeting.
Decrepit vampire. I think he's looking at lowering the rates, but he doesn't want to do it on Trump's time frame, on Trump's timeline. He was behind Biden the entire time, but with Trump there's a clash. So the fact that the markets are coming down will push the Feds to lower the rates in order to lower inflation. That's the only way it would work. But the Feds seem to not want to do that because they're very stubborn. But it's expected to be the same. But if it gets lowered, bro, everything's going to skyrocket. It's going to just explode everywhere. So let's see.
We got the Japanese bank holiday today. I feel like the entire country's out eating fluffy pancakes because that's what I would do on a holiday in Japan. Fluffy pancakes is the shit. Yo, there's 51,000 traders online here. Where are they, yo? What Tanya's stream? Where the fuck are all these traders at? That's crazy. What website you see the folders on? ForexFactory.com. Six minutes here for the hourly. What do we look like on spot? Ooh. Wait, what? Oh, alright. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, shit. You guys didn't remind me to change my lot size. Good thing I remembered. When you look at lower time frame, higher time, I always look at all the time frames. It's just I typically only mark off the higher time frame levels, but I look at all the time frames. So you'll see me mark levels off that fall in line with the hourly and the 4 hour and the 30. But there are levels here on in the middle that matter. All levels matter. Why is your lot size changes itself? No, because I've been testing the signals bot the last few weeks, and when I'm done trading, and even if I change my lot size back to normal, if I don't take a trade with it and turn off MT5, when you restart MT5, it restarts with the lot size of your last trade. Are you back using MT5 instead of trading with AMP? What? What do you mean? No, I'm trading with AMP on MT5. I kind of never left from MT5. I've always been on MT5 with AMP. MT5 is not banned in the US. Who told you? The Forex broker that lost MT5 licensing? Who told you that?
Hey, Wix, this is crazy because I'm literally going through my AMP account for the first time right now. I just opened it up and finally got everything processed. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
It took mine like 4 to 5 days, I think, something like that.
I still don't know how to place a trade. I'm figuring it out though.
This guy didn't sleep last night. I slept. I slept for about 3.5, 4 hours. I don't think I got that REM sleep though. I never hit that REM. Never got rammed. Can you withdraw in crypto from AMP? I don't know. I never withdrew from AMP yet. I remember they banned MT5 on iPhones. Yeah, for roughly 2 months because it was a Russian-made product or something like that, or the ownership was Russian, something like that. So Apple was like, yeah, we're gonna get rid of it, and then they brought it right back. What do you think about ICT trading? No such thing. Finally, he changed stream captions. Oh, we changed them yesterday. Yesterday was the first day. You missed yesterday's stream, didn't you? There's the closure. Oh, that closed above the most recent too. I don't know though. Not the overall. But if you think about it, it held support, right? If you have resistance running across here, it held here. I don't know. I would expect this to flip up. But it's not as clear cut as you'd want in order to be in positions. Hour, 4 hours, just making a top wick for now. Maybe it'll flip. Wix must Wix must try turning on only subscribers mode on stream. Why? I'm good with everybody commenting. You don't have to subscribe. I'd like you to. I ain't gonna be stingy about it though. It would force people to sub. Yeah, that's when I think that's when like the ratchet talk is helpful, right? Because then people really want to jump in on the conversation. Oh, I was muted. I said don't panic, it's organic. Don't stress. Roll me. This joint said roll me. Oh, damn. What pair is that? It's technically not a pair, it's a contract. Peachy Spears Plums, what is this? You just spent on dang a month? I don't know, man. A few racks. A month? Yeah, definitely a few racks. He said, wow. I didn't think I could surprise somebody whose name is, oh, wow. He said, wow. What's up, Christian? Damn. There's a stem in here and it poked a hole. Fuck. I'm gonna be smoking this like I'm playing the flute. Plugging holes and shit. This shit ever happen to anybody?
Nope, never.
Get off my lip. She got glued to my lip. You gotta smoke joints to understand. Cotton lip. Yeah, I don't know what this is doing since our session started, but it ain't fucking moving, really. What that is doing? Damn, so they rescued the astronauts? Yeah, but where the aliens at, B? When you first started trading, did you have percentage goals? When and how did you manage to curb that if you did? I didn't have percentage goals. I just wanted a Lambo. I just wanted a lot of money when I started trading. Yep, people at the Zoom door. Got you. Thank you. I had one goal and it was just a lot of money. And then you lose a lot of money and you're like, all right, well, maybe I need to scale down these goals a bit. Like a set amount. No, I didn't have any of that in mind. I just wanted to make a lot of money. I thought I'd just like, within a month, I'll be fucking wealthier than anyone I know. 7 years later, here we are. How do you decide to take entries all-time high bullish candles? I wait for the ranges to be created first. It's gonna ride up here, create the range, then we'll take it. Uh-oh. 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 Honestly, if I tell... So that song. Bugatti things. Yeah, at this point, I just want to travel. Just can't dip here for like 3 weeks. You guys will be... I come back in 3 weeks, you guys are all fucking trading ICT on fucking Tanya's stream. We can't let that shit happen. Now she's going to have 5,300 viewers.
She's going to be wearing a Thank You Wicks t-shirt
She's
on.
going to have 5,350 viewers now. We need more people watching. I mean, yeah, to really grow the YouTube, yeah. To trade, not really, but
You need to go on Club Shay Shay.
what?
I said you should go on Club Shay Shay. You need to get plenty of followers.
What club?
Club Shay Shay.
Club is that? I ain't a member. What club is that?
On YouTube, the one that Cat Williams went on, Club Shay Shay, when he blew up the internet. Cat Williams did on Club Shay Shay.
Yeah. Shannon Sharp podcast. On Unk's podcast, yo, he be drinking that. He be drinking that San Pellegrino. He be drinking that gay water.
He got his own cognac. That's how he says it. I got my own cognac now.
You see him at the gym? I don't know, man. He's a beast, but I don't know about that purse he be walking around with. Yeah, Shannon's zestier than a fucking Burger King dressing. You trade funding account or you deposit? I trade live account.
Hey, it's dropping. Would on 30, 33, 30, 34 on Forex be a good position to possibly get into buys, I wish? I was looking at that level. I had it marked previously.
I think you're going to see this plummet down heavy.
Oh, even more? To where? Like to the bottom?
To where?
Like at 22?
To set up for sells. I don't think we're going to see buys here. I mean, if we do, great. Just based,
so this can drop and
know,
refill the entire range?
Based on the futures chart, right, I think, because this 4 hours looking like it's going to flip here on futures. So a lot depends on how we close in 45 minutes. But we'll see. Yeah, it could bounce off this support, come right back up. I just don't have any positions here because it's a 50-50 game here.
Okay. Thank you.
They just took 3 trades, just that quick.
Yeah, let's see. 15 close, right? Yeah, 15 close. Oh, yeah, close no bottom. Look, I don't know. Might hold the support here. This is a big range here. This is 100 pips. Damn. That's a lot. Yeah, and your 4 hour, it looks lovely. On futures 4 hour, it's looking like it's made a top wick. So it's, I don't know, it's a bit different. And you also held this support on the previous candle. Well, I don't think you held it on futures. Oh yeah, you did. You did. Yeah. There's no trading in this range right now. For me, there's nothing in here. Period. This whole range out of order. Order in a courtroom. Order in a courtroom. Someone called the repairman. You're the repairman. People at the Zoom door. Got cut off really bad just to end up right next to each other. No, that's the dumbest shit ever. I hate it when people cut you off and then you pull up right next to them on a red light. Like, you know it's a red light. Where the fuck you going? I pull up on the light and I'll literally just fucking stare you down like this. Right next to you. You ever be the one that cuts somebody off and then pull up at a red light? Yeah, you'd be like, damn, they looking at me. You'd be like Cat Williams. I don't even want to be on this block. And you know, you do the head wave, you pull up next to them and you do the, like, you're disappointed in the way they've performed today. Like, you're like you'll get them next time, champ. It's like the universal language of drivers. Oh yeah, we do have a new shirtless dude. Yeah. That boy looked like D'Artagnan.
He part of Dr. Holmes' crew.
All for one and one for all. On guard.
The on guard is taking off their shirts.
Dr. Holmes got a new crew. I'm telling you.
Ah, damn, those vibes would have worked out. Damn. It's all good. I'll get the next one.
Damn, dog. You know what you look like? You look like Uhtred, son of Uhtred. Oh man, this is crazy.
Wait, that's in Prince of Persia movie, right?
No.
No. Wait, what was that in? Oh, I can't place it. Son of Uhtred. Wait, I remember what that is. No, not Iron Man. Wait, what? Bro, I can't remember.
Really?
Yeah. I just got an Amazon
Uhtred of
package. I'm concentrating on that. I can't remember. What?
Uhtred of Bebbanburg? No. Alright.
No. Wait, I know that's that line. I just can't place it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it was part of the JFK files. You got to read the JFK files.
Oh, was it Dumb and Dumber? I'm saying Eddie, write that. Lion King. Yeah, it was in the Lion King. Oh, bro, I did that with my baby daughter. I held her up like the Lion King. And I started singing the song. My girlfriend just started laughing.
What's TWD? You guys ever watch Weeds? Weeds was a funny show.
Yeah, it was good. Lasted what, 5 seasons?
I mean, it lasted 7, but like 5 of them were exactly
7.
the same. 5 of them were identical.
Yeah.
Every season was her getting into some shit and then trying to get her ass out, get her way out of it. The Walking Drawdown. Thought it was a horror movie. The Withdrawal. The Withdrawal. Yeah, it's a horror movie where you never get paid. Just keep asking for your money. Yeah, where did Uche go? Oh, I'm fucked. He about to walk in here with like fucking on 2 horses and fucking some swordsmen. Lock the doors, honey. Uche's on his way. Yo, do something. Gold's been stingy like this for like a week. No, we've been here Tuesday of... Oh, that's earlier this week. What am I saying? That's yesterday. We technically are moving. We're at 30.50. We've reached 30.50. That's crazy. Anyone trade London? Yo, what is this on my chart? What are these lines? Where did this come from? Yo, what did I tap? Where did these lines come from? This shit needs to get off. There we go. I don't know what I tapped, but I don't know. Yo! Yo, how do I get rid of this? This was never here.
I think you should check your indicators.
Yo. Wait. There's nothing on. Like, look right now. Clean chart. Clean chart. I switch a time frame. Like,
You have to check your indicator itself. Tap on indicator. Indicators.
where are my indicators?
Go to the top. After the shift your right. Right. Keep going right. Oh, you passed it. Back left. You see indicators upwards. How do I?
What?
The indicators to your left. Keep shifting to your left. No.
Oh, this shit?
Up, yeah, exactly. So borderline, I think. I don't know. One of them should be.
Why can't I just...
On February then. Both of them.
I think if you refresh your trading view, it will be good because it's still unsaved as what you're doing right now. So it'll revert back to your original one. So if you refresh it, it should bring it back.
Nah. I just did.
Still there? Yeah, you gotta refresh it.
It's still gonna be there.
How the fuck did this just randomly come up out of nowhere?
So I think that indicator, if you check on those favorites and untick them or favorite them or something like that.
Once it's back, once it's refreshed, check the time frame again. If it's still there, then you have one of your indicators is locked, so remove them. Yeah.
Should refresh now.
Because right now, you see on the top right, it says unnamed, and there's nothing below unnamed.
It always
So that
says
means
that.
this is the original version that's saved.
Whoa. It's crazy.
What the fuck happened? What did I do to deserve these fucking blue stripes? Okay. Okay, how do I remove this shit? Where is it? Which one? Your trading you messed up? Thank you.
Shit, boy. Huh?
I think it's talking to us too.
1 minute left to NYSE open.
I don't know, chat. We're gonna have to deal with these blue stripes. I don't do well with blue stripes. Anything black and blue? Yeah, this is the NYPD chart over here. Bruh. Refresh will fix. I fucking refreshed. Leave. Refresh. Nah, no fix. Settings. Canvas.
Right click and remove indicators.
Where?
Right click on the screen, remove indicators.
Where you see remove indicators? There's remove drawings.
There you go, that one.
It's gonna remove all my lines.
Oh, all of them. Oh. Let me keep messing with mine.
Ah. This shit just came out of nowhere. That's something with trading you? You have it too? Alright. Yeah, good. I'm not the only one. Now I feel better. I'm glad you have that problem. You see, never tell your problems to anybody, right? 80% of the people don't care. The other 20 are glad you have them. I'm the other 20. I'm glad you have that issue. I'm not the only one. Oh, it almost disappeared. Yeah, I don't have it on anything except futures gold here. Yep. It disappears on spot. Wow, good thing you didn't take those buys, right? Right, Jay?
Nope, but I took those sells now. No, the buys would have been good for 30 pips, but I took those sells.
Did they? Where
and
were they
caught.
been good for 30 pips? Oh, it bounced up from here, right? For a little
Yeah, yeah, 33 where I was looking, and it bounced, and it went up 35 pips on spot. And I just took some sells now, and I just closed. So I took.
You didn't take the buys though, right?
No, I did not, because you told me you saw something different. So I listened to you. Once it broke the level and you said it might come down, I said, all right. And I looked at it, top wick first on the 30, flipped, rejected, flipped again. And once it did, I got in.
Nice. We need some closures, gang, because there's levels here. And previous candle closed respecting, so we can make a bottom wick and pull back up. Just continue respecting this level. God, these blue lines, man, piss me off. Four-hour has not flipped yet. We got 25 minutes, but it hasn't flipped yet. Here's the flip. You closed too soon, Jay.
I'm actually back in, just FYI.
Yeah, I think we'll look for this for entry. Like right here, just took a sell right there, gang. Alright, closing full right there. Just closed full. 23 pips. W. Sniper entry. No drawdown. Straight to profits. W. Alright, now we're going to wait for this closure. Did the 5 close? It did. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens. Maybe we get another one. Oh, it respected here, didn't it? How many pips is this bottom wick? It's only 7 pips. I don't know if I want to play this area again. This is literally just what we just played. I'd rather
It might come up to 32, you think, on spot? And then from there, another sell could be interesting.
32 areas, yeah.
30, 32.
Yeah, 33.3.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Yeah, which would mean that's like 39 areas for us, 33.3. It might plummet heavy here before the closure, but I'd really want a closure with a bottom wick to get a top wick on the next candle. The thing is, we have 8 minutes here. It's a lot of time. It's NYC open. Shit, this might just push through. That might have been a good entry on the 5. That was a good entry on the 5. Look at that. Perfect. Just the same exact area that we just sniped. Just redid that again on the 5. This wick is a little bit concerning, but once it breaks it, it should be good to go. There we go. It should kind of come down fast now. It's here on the 15. Pull up. Okay. Nice. That might be it here too, right? As you have these levels now. Yeah, that might have been it. Look at that. The 1 minute tapped it on the dot. It's moving so fast. It's not even letting the 5 close. It's just 1 minute. Boom. We out. Gotta be careful here, these lows. Ooh, it's gonna plummet. I was gonna say I'm gonna look for positions once we break this low, but I don't think it broke. We got close. There we go. That broke, right? No, it didn't break. Broke the line, but didn't break these wicks right there. Six minutes here. I mean, change your time zone. No, it's my time zone. Will this be a quick plummet down, or will we push up heavy? I mean, we should still come down further. Like, there's no reason for us to hold here, but I just want to pull back. At whatever low it's making right now, it should be retested, right? We retested it here, and this wasn't even, you know, that heavy of a drive down. There's so much heavier drive down. Oh man, you're the GOAT. Thank you so much. Thank you. JSP's a W. The GOAT of this trade and view shit. Just tapping our levels on the dot, on point. The 5, the 1, everything. $18 minutes here on the hourly. The 4 hour looks like a leg candle. Yeah, we might hold support here and come up on the next 4 hour. That'd be wild. I hope this comes down now. It would just make sense, man. It's 4 hour close bullish. Why did you take an entry in that area? I drew it up beforehand because of these wicks. Wicks to the left. We broke them, pulled back to them, and I took it. It got tooken, as my kids say. $10K account. Yeah, 4 micros, 3 micros. Yeah, I'm probably trading with 3 micros on a 10. Do you expect more volatile? So yes, I expect a more volatile 4 years in general. Spot needs a big pullback. Well, it doesn't need anything. You need a big pullback. You want it to have a big pullback, but it doesn't need to do anything. Based on what do you do those calculations? On the way I trade, on my style of trading. Because if he's asking for a futures platform, then his leverage is around 200 to 1. Yeah. Maybe even 0.2 micros. I mean 0.2, 2 micros. Okay, 15 closed. All right, we're gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. Off the top wick here on the 15. Looking for this to come down. Sells came. We're over here. Yeah. We pull up. I'm gonna expect to retest the lows anyway of the that we've made. Closing full right there. Just closed full. W. W. Just closed full for 24 pips. W. Yeah, I got the wick here. I got the wick entry. I'm not trusting this too much right now. I think we could still re-break highs, and I really want to take this off the hourly. If this breaks down now, the hourly will set up lovely. Right. All right, 2 dubs. Wow. Win number 451 and 452. Incredible. We are at 138 wins in a row. Normally you wait for a steeper wick. Why you didn't here? Because we didn't need a steeper wick here. Also timing, my friend. Timing. How many pips is when you take a L? I don't know. We don't take L's. Well, played that to the T. Look at that. Came right back up now. Perfect. Perfecto. To the T. Look at these supports here.
Chat, that was a great trade. The previous one as well. Come on, drop a like. Sub to the channel. Show your love for this. Let's go. W, we're 2 away from 140 straight on-stream wins.
Yeah. We're
Wow.
we're 1 week away from being 4 months of no losses. 4 fucking months. It's not like 4 months and then there's like a week of no trading. No, there's been trades every single day. I remember that loss. Wasn't that a news trade? No, my last loss was not a news trade, but it was a loss for 17 pips. November 27th. I don't think it was a news trade, but I know it was 17 pips on November 27th. People at the Zoom door? Yes, they are. Okay, beer for back-to-back dubs. Nice. Have all the Zoom guys changed to futures? I don't know. Let's ask all the Zoom guys. Oh, they don't even all fit in here. I don't think they have. Jeez, look at that pullback. 4 hours going to close bullish. We said that earlier. Gold is funny. I think it's easy to win the trade if you keep stacking positions whenever the markets Jesus. Whenever the markets went the other way. Yeah, it's easy. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Just do it. You should do it because it's easy. All I'm trying to show you is that you can do it too. Right? That's the whole point. If you think it's easy and anyone can do it, then just do it, man. Jesus.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Yeah. Just trying to show you that it's easy and you can do it too. Oh, SL in the building. Green. Odds out in full force. Eddie Bougie. All right, gang. I'm in Florida tomorrow. You're gonna text? Oh yeah, text me. Let me know, ski. That made it to Sports Center top 10. I could do that. Gay. They must be drinking that gay beer. I could have definitely done that. That just broke my stereo. Nice. Well, wave goodbye to your stereo. Matter of fact.
You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye to that radio. To that stereo. The way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister. When's the next round? Friday? When's March Madness continuing?
Thursday.
Thursday. All right.
The play-in game was last night and tonight. Thursday's the real day. Michigan State's playing Friday night in Cleveland. I'm thinking about going.
All right. It's going to be a fun atmosphere.
Always is.
How much are the tickets for March Madness game?
Oh, it can start anywhere from $60 all the way down to, yeah. So, you know, you can get in there. It depends on how close you want to get.
Sure. Instant funding you recommend? Well, if you're getting funded, I don't recommend wasting your time on challenges. And yeah, if you're getting funded, you got to go instant funded. Because you're wasting your time instead of making money. And time is money. Please give some warning before you make a loud sound. Okay, loud sound incoming. Error drums. Error. With top book sells next hourly depending on where we close. Depending on this closure. Because we close up here. I'm not looking for sells. We close above 30.41. Wow, what a pullback. Why flex happens one time, it must be twice. Alright, second one incoming. That's your warning. Oh, you know what I got over here? We got 2 minutes, chat. Alright, 2 minutes. A lot can change in 2 minutes. Like I could take a pull of this joint right now and probably be halfway enlightened. And maybe we'll have something proper. Some proper trading.
Or you can take 2 hints and you can be fully enlightened.
Yeah, that's true. But then I'll have no excuse. Like if I'm partially enlightened and I fuck up, I could be like, you see, I should have took the fold. You always got to leave room for an excuse in case shit goes wrong. Oh, I'm playing this flute right now. This is the joint with the fucking hole. Yeah, this is a holy joint, chat. It's got 2 holes. It's holy, probably a female. Benishvili, come here, boy. Benny, why your nose like that? He's so doofy. That's you, bro. That's your reflection. Fucking love dogs. He's looking at me because he knows he's a dumbass. He's like, why is Wix laughing at me? Come on. You need to stop running into the door. All right. Ba. Bo. How many of you are looking for buys here on the bottom wick? Oh. Blake. Right here. Right here. Buy right here. Just took a buy. I expect resistance to be tapped. I took a buy off these wicks. And I'm going to have another buy off these wicks. Only one so far. Only 2 entries. One level. 3040.2. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry, 40.4. Taking a buy right here. Right at these wicks. Closing full right there, 20. Oh, whoa, that sucks. That closed me out at 14 pips. I saw 21, but as soon as I click close, it pumped back down for a second. So, 14 pips. Fuck, man, that's annoying. So 22 pips. 22. Oh well. I'll take 14. I'll take it. Everybody understand why we took that trade? It's gonna come up here. Gosh. Annoyed. Yeah. It's 4 total entries. 4 total entries, 14 pips. 1 pineapple. 1 pineapple area. Yeah, I'm skeptical. If you look to the left, the only thing that worries me was this wick right here. Right? With the market coming up here, I didn't want it to tap this wick and plummet, so that's why I started looking for closures. But as soon as it came up here, it came back down, pumped down. A couple of wicks here. There. All good. Was it range 2? Nope. We were back into range 1 after tapping the lows of range 2, the other end of range 2, right? We came down here, we tapped the lows on the higher time frame, right? That's the range. Wait 1 second. Higher time frame. Lows of range 2, back into range 1. You can trade that. If it was halfway down here, we couldn't take that buy, but when it's fully, when it tapped the lows, we can trade it up until that flip is your advantage point. Did it flip? Did it ever flip here? No, didn't even get close. But yeah, 14 pips for buys. Oh well. I mean, oh well. I mean, we won. It wasn't the big win we want, but it still brings us over the 50 pip mark for the day. W. Yeah, but once you start tapping these wicks across here to the left that we've marked off, you have to start managing risks. Those are, you see this wick heavy rejection, this wick heavy rejection. So once it starts coming back up there, you can't justify not managing risk or not going break even at the very least, or securing partials, you know what I mean? So, and look at that, it tapped those wicks and right back down to fill. So you have to pay attention to those rejection areas. You can't disregard them. It's early. It's only 10 o'clock. Like, I'm here for at least another hour, maybe more. So we'll probably have more positions. Most likely we will have more positions. Oh, that was win number 453. Hold on. You can be streaming FOMC. I don't know. I have my kid's dentist appointment today, and they just called me. I got a missed call from them. Your appointment is at 3 p.m. Okay, I gotta be there at 3. What time is our thing? 2. I don't know. It's gonna be tough. Because I don't want to trade at 2, right? Numbers drop at 2. I want to trade like 2:30, 3 o'clock. So probably not. Probably not streaming. I wonder if this comes all the way back up and flips now. It didn't break the slow here. It needs to break the slow to continue the trend down.
Bro, what a rejection. Perfect close, man. Perfect close. That was insane. Oh, that was gorgeous. Drop a like, guys. I mean, you don't get this information out there from any other person. They mostly all lose. You got live. You're seeing it live. Winning upon winning upon winning. It's insane.
So we do win or win. Mr. Win or Win. Oh, thank you, Roller. I didn't see your message. Roller he knew how to get rid of those lines too. He actually wrote it before. I just didn't see the message. Oh. Holy jumping fucking Jesus. This shit just melted. What is it? It's only 60 pips though. It's not like crazy, but that just melted. Stream for you. I don't know who I offended to be stuck at 26k subs. This thing got no top wick here. Tanya has boobs. What? You ever seen Kindergarten Cop? Boys have a penis, girls have vagina. He's like, yes.
Be careful in our day and age. You might get canceled for saying the truth biologically. Even kids know the truth.
Word.
Yeah, Joe's saying, yeah, people watch her because she's got boobs.
If this stream gets taken down,
you blame it on me.
yeah, blame it on the vagine.
Oh my God. How do people keep going back to watch somebody just because they have boobs, even though they keep losing? I just don't understand that. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense.
Has she traded today? She has a win, loss.
I don't know. I don't follow anybody other than you and Don. That's it.
Wix, when did you think it was the best time to quit your full-time job and go all in on trading? You see, when I thought it was the best time, it wasn't the best time. Like, the way I did it, I fucked up. I told this story in the private chat yesterday. I think I told this story. But yeah, I didn't do it the right way, right? When I started prioritizing trading and just went completely all in and tuned everything out, I went through probably like the worst time in my life. Yeah, I lost my friends. I damn near lost my family. I went through like the worst time of my entire life was when I decided to prioritize trading. Put it that way. I went through the hardest times of my life. Mentally, physically, everything. Just overall, all around. I was in the worst spot of my life. the lowest low of my life happened right when I decided to prioritize trading. Either life worked out like that, or either trading had a lot to do with it, but that's just how it was. But like, if I don't go through that, I'm not here today, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. That's when you know who your real friends are, based on who stuck around. Literally nobody. I can look through my phone right now for the last week of phone calls, and there are 2 people in there. My wife, my mother, and Comcast. That's it. 3, like, over the last week, there's literally, and my daughter, so 4. There's not a single phone call from anyone else anywhere. It's all the same name. As I scroll down, it's all the same name. My wife, Ma. My wife, Ma. That's it. I don't have friends.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, but
sorry to hear that.
you should. No, I got into a similar situation, and you shouldn't be able to count your real friends on more than one hand. If you do, then they're just acquaintances and Facebook friends. The real G's, they stick around, and no matter what. And I've got 3. I've got a few people I talk to here and there, but 3 real ones will take a bullet for me, other than, family. Bro, you don't need them.
I don't know.
Get them
Honestly,
out of your
I don't
life.
think I'm taking a bullet for anybody, bro. I'm pretty selfish.
Yeah, I'll do it for my daughter.
I'd
But
just be like,
and for my brother, my mom. But yeah, no, I'm bro. And when I moved to other countries, that's when you realize nobody talks to you anymore, but only the real people. Yo, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, I want to come and visit you. How's everything? Things like that. I mean, they check up on you, really, no matter how much money you have or whatever it is, because it's true love, friendship, right? Or family. That's the best thing. You get rid of all that toxic bullshit, all that crap out there, and then you refresh. Look at where you are now. Fuck them haters. Everybody's trying to, do what you do. But yeah, we all go through struggles.
It's so funny. I got friends who like I haven't spoken to in like a few years, and they hit me up like, yo, can I connect my trading? Did you really win 100 in a row? Can I connect my account to? Be like, bro, we spoke 14 years ago.
Are you serious? Oh,
it's been 14 years.
No, that's not. Wow.
He's like, so he's like, yeah, I saw what you're doing. I've been trying to do this shit too for like the last few years. Like, yo.
They're better late than never, baby.
Like, I just sent it to the live streams. Like, show up to the live streams. That's all I can tell you. I was like, but we boys. Like, yeah, show up to the live streams. That's the best. I'm trying to give you good advice. Show up to the live streams. You could teach me like that. No, like, I'm telling you the best possible way to learn. Better than me sitting down teaching you at 2 p.m. Show up to the live stream. Never showed up. Maybe he's here right now. Doesn't say anything, but never showed up. From what
it's like those streamers. It's like those streamers who are crap, and then a few years later, they become so popular and well known, and you got girls calling them from 4 or 5 years ago. They're like, hey, how do you do? He's like, what do you mean? You rejected me right away, and now you want to talk to me? Yeah, it's okay. I was busy. I don't know what. I mean, seriously, how much of a moron would accept that? I mean, it doesn't make sense. You just give them the info for free. So, I mean, they're very lucky they have that much. Most people wouldn't do that.
Also, does your new self would like to hang out with your old version friends? No, I wouldn't. I did so much dirt when I was young that like I would never hang out with myself right now. Like I right now would never hang out with my younger self. We probably wouldn't even be in the same room. The problem is all those people you did dirt with when you were younger, right? They still think you're the same person, and because they're the same people still. Nothing's changed. You know what I mean? Thoughts on calisthenics? What? Oh, Callisto. I'm not sure who that is. I don't know. I've never heard of that. That sounds familiar. Like you guys have brought it up. I think you guys asked me that before. Thoughts on Callisto effects, but I just don't know who that is. No clue. Sorry. Maybe good, maybe bad. I don't know. Anyone got top wicks here? I don't like that we never broke this area. Look at this. We've tested it before. Remember I said we're going to retest the lows here with that kind of pull. Well, same thing here. Retested the lows. It retested the lows here now. Decision making time. It's got to either break or pull back up heavy. Last time we were at these lows, it pulled up here, right? And we don't have a top wick on this candle. So the 4 hour closed bullish as well. We never broke the previous 4 hour low, keeping up with bullish structure. Let's see. It's kind of squeezing because we made a lower high too. What time is it? 10:20. Yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering if I could push that appointment off, but it's my kid's orthodontist. I don't want to do that. It's gonna be a busy ass day today. I got so much shit to do. Yeah. I'm not looking forward to all of it. Same here. Take the kids swimming. What do you mean? Oh, you're in Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. Yo, we still got. I get it. Yeah, you're in Fort Lauderdale. No, definitely not today. I'm gonna be lucky if I get in the gym today. We really had 3 positions this morning in this 4 hour range. Stream if I'm C or not? Probably not. I was just talking about it. Gotta take my kids to the orthodontist. Are dentists doctors or they're dentists? Doctors. Oh yeah, they can prescribe meds, so yeah, I guess they're doctors. Yes, they're considered yes, or pharmacists. Pharmacists are considered doctors. Because when they graduate, they're called Doctor of Pharmacy. Doctors of Pharmacy. Dentist does not take an OAD. What's an OAD? Wicks, show your balance or else. Okay. Left leg or right? Which one? I balance way better on my right though. My left leg, I got a bunion on the bottom of my, like right next to my pinky toe, and it hurts to balance on the left leg, right? But when I'm on the right leg, I'm chilling. Look at this. I can, I do squats on one leg, on the right leg. You crazy? I squat one-legged squats right now, bro. But my left leg, nah, dog. This shit's all fucked up. That balance, all fucked up. Is that balance on point? I know Green be doing one-legged squats, no problem. Or every day's leg day. Taught me. PS, MS, PhD. Interesting. Put something like paper under your left one. This, bro, my legs aren't the fucking table. Put some paper on it. Put a little cardboard, even it out, bro. Hi, bro. Thoughts on SMC? Sure.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
You ever tried roids? No. About to get a 30 closure here. We never broke the slow still, right? Oh yeah, we did right there. We just broke it. We pumped out. And went right back up in range. We talked to Top. Why? Yes, Sergio. They should have made an announcement 15th or 16th of March, but they didn't, so I can't say anything. You considered to stop vaping? Yeah. I'm done. You said impulse sales were valid once we break that low, right? Previously, it's not just about breaking the low, it's about how you break it, right? How do the candles print? It has to make sense. Like a straight drive down wasn't it. We need to bounce off a resistance. We don't have a top wick on here. We didn't have a top wick on this candle. We had a minor one, small one. Very, very small one. It wasn't driving off a resistance area. Plus then you see over here the 5 closed as a lay candle. So you say to yourself, all right, that closed. If we start coming down here, highly likely to flip bullish before anything happens, so it could still come down here. But we knew this candle should flip bullish, so it's just too many things not lining up.
Hey, Wix, Wish just wrote that he thinks Top One Trader now offers MT5, and I went to check, and I believe he's correct. Top One Trader now offers MetaTrader 5 as a trading platform for its users. So, guys, take advantage.
I don't think it's available for US clients.
Oh, it's not?
You got to double check. I think it's for everybody except US clients. I'm not 100% sure. You got to double check on it.
It says, while Top One Trader isn't a widely recognized broker, it's important to note that if a broker is regulated and offers MT5, it's possible for US clients to use the platform.
Because they offer C-Trader, but C-Trader is not allowed to be used by US clients.
Let's see. Well, take advantage anyways, guys. You've got whatever discount Top One Trader has now. Get an additional 5% discount by using the code WIX. Just put that in the chat now. Take advantage.
I don't know what they have, 25 right now or 40, something like that. But yeah, if you use code WIX, you get
47, I believe.
47 and
yeah, 47% off. 47% off on selected challenges, and
yeah, you
IF
add that 5%,
instant funded.
It'll be 52%
during March.
off.
Yeah, and instant funding as well. Instant funded during March.
How much is an instant funded account for 100K? And then take 50% off. It's pretty cheap.
Instant funded 100K, 560, and then 5% off on top of that. Right now, it says 560, and it used to be 1,057. So I'm guessing that's after the discount. Yeah, there's a special code there, and then you add on another code,
around
5%.
$500.
Bro, that's cheap. That's what a normal 100 challenge is on a lot of prop firms.
This is instant funded, so yeah, cheap. 30 opened up. I know. I see. Man, that looks pretty good on the 30. The 15 no top wick. So I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just take a sell. 15 doesn't have a top wick, right? And 30 closed bearish. You'd expect the bottom wick here on the 30. Took a sell off those lines here, off this area. I'm closing full right there. Just closed full as we flipped. 27 pips. W. Very nice, very nice, very nice. 30 closed bearish, 15 no top wick indicating no range. Once we make a top wick here, we can enter at our levels, right? We drew this level up way before. See, remember we drew this level up when we were saying if we take buys, it can tap this area and come right back down. And now that it's tapped this area, it's coming right back down. Congrats, everybody. 27 piparoos. That's 140 wins in a row. Interesting. This was pretty simple here. This was an easy read. This was a very easy read. Very, very nice. Very nice. I think we've sniped every single 3 out of the 4 entries we sniped. You were not concerned about the 4 hour? Yeah, but the 4 hour is a long candle. It's got another freaking 3 hours to play out, right? It's got
Yeah, I was gonna.
there's
What's up,
3.5
Lex?
hours in the 4-hour candle because it's gonna the smaller time frame still got to do its thing, right? If the 4 hour is gonna flip, then this is gonna have to flip bearish, find support again, then come back up, re-break highs. But you understood that this is gonna have to flip bearish based on the 15 closure and the 30 closure. 30 bearish below the range, big wick, opened up with a top wick to our areas, and then you confirm with the 15. No more range to go up here. This candle should flip at some point. If it's going to flip and it's tapping our resistance areas, that's what we banked on. No, this was pretty simple. We'll snipe the shit out of that. Where's our entry? Right there, that was our entry. No drawdown, 0 drawdown. Straight to profit on 3 out of the 4 trades we took today. 27 pips. What a lovely day today, right? Pretty good Wednesday. Like every single Wednesday. We be tweaking. Like every single weekend, we be tweaking. Plus 27. Right. Many ways to skin a cat. Today, we did it in 4 trades and 88 pips. Right? Is that what we have on the day? I think we have 88 pips. It's coming back up now.
Congrats, Wix W trade. Drop a like, chat, and I have the confirmation. Top One Trader does offer MT5, but it does not accept US clients, unfortunately.
I was right, yeah.
For MT5, yeah. Still, anybody outside the States, take advantage.
Yeah. They be treating the United States like we the minority. Yeah.
I mean, the regulations are just absolutely insane for them. It just doesn't make sense what they would have to pay and go through.
Oh yeah.
So it's just not worth it. Yeah, they during Biden administration they destroyed everything. So it screwed up a lot of prop firms and a lot of people's situations. So another Biden, lovely, whatever. I don't even know what to call it.
Well, the fact that we can't trade spot gold or trade on MT5 in the US is really Obama's legacy.
Yeah, Biden is Obama.
Yeah.
That's even if Biden actually
The
did
Dodd-Frank
anything.
Act was signed, I think, in 2010. And now that's Obama's time.
But it wasn't even enforced until Biden's presidency anyways. Nobody did anything until the war started with Russia and Ukraine. That's when everybody's just started going nuts.
I think the big thing was the blatant use of MT5 and a widespread use of MT5 in scams. Like it was widely used as part of many different scams. Right?
What do you mean?
Well, in terms of people opening up mutual funds and big money management companies and faking their numbers through backdooring MT5.
Really?
Faking results, yeah. Like that's where a lot of shit came down from. There was so much fraud going on that MT5 had to crack down. What happened was they're a company, right? They do business in a territory, and what happens is, you know, the CIA and the CFTC and the SEC, they have a really wide reach worldwide, and they basically reached out to them and said, hey, cut the shit out. You guys got to take licensing away from people that are scamming, or
So you think a lot of them,
or you'll be in trouble, and that's what happens. So they just start reaching out to companies, and they started, I guess, started clearing house.
you think a lot of them did business in Ontario? Because I think it's banned there in Canada, but everywhere else in Canada it works, right?
I don't know. I think it's all about the regulating regulating bodies that reached out to them. Like if the U.S. reached out to them and told them to stop doing something, trust me, if you're operating anywhere in the world and like the United States calls you and tells you, hey, stop that shit, you're gonna stop that shit.
Yeah.
So because I'm sure they do business with a lot of companies in the U.S. as well, right? Like look at AMP, right? That's a regulated company, or like it's a legitimate company, legitimate broker, and they do business with them, right? So they're gonna lose all their legitimate business by having non-legitimate business. Doesn't make sense.
I thought it was just because MT5 was owned by Russian companies that they use that as an excuse to start banning everything and everybody.
No, that had,
Mm.
no, it was technically starting even before that.
Okay. Well, there you go. I just learned something new. Thank you.
All right, well, that trade played out. Let's see. We got 20 minutes here till 11. Let's see what it do. Can't drink protein with gay beer. I'm gonna need some water. Benny, don't touch that. You're gonna turn gay. That's gay beer, Benny. Stay away. Come here. Oh, we almost avoided. We almost had a catastrophe here. Benny almost had some gay beer. That would have been bad. Oh, that's potato. I want chicken. Where's the chicken one? There we go. Chicken. Wait, why did I just call? Oh, I needed water. I'm over here fucking making myself chicken. That's not what I came here for. Oh, fuck. Been a long day. Nah, Benny, you don't want this. This is gay chicken. You don't want this shit. Trust me. You don't want gay chicken. Got denied my first payout on Apex because of the 30% rule, windfall gamble. Can someone explain to me what that rule is and how it works? I have some idea. I don't know what that rule is, never heard of it, but from the sounds of it, windfall gamble, they don't think your ass can trade. They think you got lucky. That's just what it sounds like to me.
Usually that means that you made 30% of your profits usually on like one trade. And they want
you gambled and you won.
Yeah, but they want you to trade, not hit a news trade and catch a whole bunch and then kind of cash out. And so they want your trades to be more evened out per se.
They don't think your ass can trade. That's what I just said.
Basically.
You basically just made money and then like, prove it. Prove it, bro. Can I use MT5 on the phone with AMP? Sure, but I don't have MT5 on the phone, period. I don't have the app. I don't know what price is. You know, I don't know what the charts look like unless I open up my desktop. And I'm logged in on TradingView on my account on PC, so I don't log in on my phone on TradingView. So I see no chart. The only way I see a chart is if somebody's streaming, right? If I'm out and about and if somebody's streaming, then I can go on YouTube and see where price is. Other than that, I don't have MT5 app, no terminal on my phone, nothing. I do nothing off my phone when it comes to trading. The only time I look at the charts is right here. Unfortunately at work? You mean fortunately you work? Have you seen the unemployment numbers? Damn. You gotta do it on the phone. Yes, you gotta do what you gotta do. I just don't do it, so I'm the wrong person to ask, you know what I mean? I'm sure you can trade it. Yo, watch Akron put the beats on Arizona. Your phone is only for taking videos of wins on stream. That's really what I do. That's all I use my phone for. Like, I don't talk to anybody. Nobody calls me. I don't have... My phone is really only used for 10 minutes a day, and it's right after stream over here for me to, you know, post this win. After that, the phone goes away. Feel like there should be way more likes. You and me both, Redonkalicious. You and me both. You watch ice hockey? No, field hockey is more my shit. Watch international field hockey. And curling. There's a fun fucking sport. That's a fucking exciting sport. Non-stop action.
Your lovely Rangers are not doing so well. They just got out of the wild card yesterday by losing the game against the Flames.
Fuck the goddamn Rangers. I watched them for the first 2 weeks when they were in first place, and then they went on a losing streak, and I was like, yeah, another year.
You're not even giving them a chance.
Nope.
Yeah. Are you a fan of an actual team like do or die? Like, no matter what happens, or you just go with the flow?
That's the sad reality of being a Knicks fan. That's what happens.
Oh goddamn! You're not a Knicks fan. Oh my god.
We're literally the worst fan base in the world.
I feel so sorry for you, bro. They bro. I don't understand those fans.
I ride or die with.
I don't understand those fans.
Yeah, we sucked for a long time. We still do, but we're better than we used to be.
I mean, you guys have had a couple of nice trades, but I don't know what the hell's going on with the team.
I've been a Knicks fan since fucking John Starks dunked on Michael Jordan.
That's a while ago.
I remember that.
Yeah,
I remember that.
That's
they were dogs
when
back
I became
then.
a Knicks fan.
They were dogs back then. Oakley and all them, yeah, they were dogs.
Yeah, then they
What was
got
that,
rid of
04?
Oakley, and then they brought in Grandmama. 4-point
What was that,
play,
20 years
baby.
ago?
The best 4-point play in the history of the league. And then, man, I remember when we had the 50-game season. Knicks went to the finals against the Spurs. We had everybody. That was the year we needed to take it. I think we got swept. We had Sprewell. We had Houston. We had Hewitt. We were stacked. We had Charlie Ward, who was a Heisman winner in football, in college football. That was crazy. We had Chris Childs. Man. Ewing. Goofy motherfucker. But it was all good, right? Because growing up, like in the 90s in New York, even like you had the Knicks and the Rangers, they won in 94, but I only moved to America in 95. So I came here and it was all the hype, but then they never won again. Right? And it wasn't like all bad because even though they never won, the Yankees were winning every year. Every year there was a parade in Bay Ridge and Bensonhurst and fucking down 3rd Ave in Brooklyn. It's just the Italians were out there full force.
Yeah, they have the most trophies out of any professional sports team in the world. They have the most. They beat the Montreal Canadiens that had 24 Stanley Cups, and I think they're at what, 28? Yeah, something like that. But now with the Dodgers just spending ridiculous amounts of money, I mean, it's going to make for a very competitive season for the next 5-6 years. So that should be really fun. So whoever wins, just how much money you've got, basically. And Dodgers are doing pretty well now in Japan. Won 2 straight games against Chicago. We'll see.
Is there a salary
Getting really
cap
interesting
in baseball?
It's not technically salary cap, but yes, there is a luxury tax on the amount of money that is allowed to be spent for teams. So they go over it and they pay a tax. They're taxed on it and they pay the league with that. So they don't really care. It's not like hockey where you just cannot go over or anything like that. So
Is
it's
there
just a luxury tax, but
in soccer?
No.
No, right? You could just, it's like,
I think they're trying to do it to make, yeah, I think they're trying to do it to make it more fair because teams are so unbalanced. But yeah, I don't think there is.
Because there's teams that are like,
And-
you know, that are worth 100,000, and then there are teams that are spending like 100 million on a player.
Yeah, but when you're a professional team, if it's shown on TV, you get a share of the profits, especially in football and Premier League, things like that, or in Championship League, and it's the same thing in baseball. They're promoting it worldwide so that people can watch it more, so they can make a lot more money that way. Because I think it's gone down a little bit in the last few years, but they're still paying people a fortune. So they get revenues from the TV, and then they share it with the teams. So the teams can be really bad, and baseball can still receive, the worst team can still receive 100 million just from the revenue as on TV. It's just insane. So, yeah.
So what you're saying is we need to buy a baseball team.
Yes. I mean, it's not that expensive. I think you might spend maybe a billion.
$1 billion?
Yeah, there you
got
go.
a couple
It's
of
not
billion just laying around.
Let me call Ronaldo up. I think he's in town.
You might need Elon for this.
Yeah. And you get a team to do all that. Yeah, I mean, they forced the Russians, by the way, who owned British teams to sell back during the Biden era. And a lot of them were forced to sell.
Oh
It's
yeah,
just-
they forced, what's his name, Abramovich. They forced him to sell Chelsea.
Yes, it was Chelsea, correct. It was insane.
Because he was gonna
How do
get
you
hit
force
with
somebody to
sanctions.
sell?
Like it wasn't like he couldn't hold on to that shit.
Yeah, but bro, come on. I mean, it was just ridiculous.
What movie was he in? That was a funny movie. What movie was he in?
Not sure.
It was a really
Either way.
good movie.
Anyways, in football, there isn't really a cap, but when you play in the MLS, they have the designated player clause. So certain players can make a certain amount of money, but the designated player, there's no limit. And it doesn't count on the salary of the entire team. So they kind of have sort of a type of a cap for the MLS. But then you can have 3 players. So you can pay that player like $10 million and your team is worth 10 million. Doesn't matter. It doesn't count towards that cap, quote unquote. They call them designated players, but it's different in the EFL or in EFL. Yeah, English Football League, and in the Saudi Pro League and other leagues, things like that.
You know
Whoever
what
pays,
movie it
pays.
was? I think it was called Smoking Aces.
Oh, I saw that movie.
That's a good movie.
I saw that movie.
Was he in Smoking Aces when they're like walking through his stadium? He played himself, I think, basically in the movie.
Yeah, I wouldn't remember that. 2 minutes to the hourly close.
Yeah, 2 minutes to 11.
It broke the low once and then tried to come back
up
down
in
again.
range.
It rejects. Yep. Rejected pretty much where we got in on the sells. If it breaks, could be interesting.
This sucks across the board. It's squeezing, it's making lower highs, but it's making higher lows as well. Yo, when is GTA 6 dropping? They need a Wix 9. They need a Wix 9 character. Forget the Joker. Anything now to 11? If we close like, well, we close in 30 seconds. If we close like this, no. Close respecting here.
All right, so is your phone charged just to prepare, just in case?
Yeah, my phone, I think. Yep, 98% battery. But you know this shit. As soon as I fucking unlock it, it's gonna be at 3%. Yeah, I know. I see a top wick. We've already had this level. Yeah, look at this 5 holding here. Yeah, that's not too pretty. The higher time frame says we're gonna come down, but we're coming up on noon here. Volume's dying down a bit. We've held on the smaller time frame, and on the higher time frame, we've wicked into this area 1, 2, 3, now 4 times. We haven't broken it yet. Be careful. We might stick around in range here until FOMC. So just be careful. All right, yeah, I'm gonna call it a session here, gang. Before you guys dip, you already know the deal. First of all, drop some likes, sub to the channel. Almost 90 pips caught here today, 88 pips. 4 trades in one session. What did I say? Look, before we showed up here today, I said, can I hit 140 wins straight? I guess we know the answer to that, right? We came here with 136 wins today. 136 wins in a row. My title really really hit it on the nose here. Can I hit 140 wins straight? That's exactly what we did here. 4 dubs. All right. Chat, spam some motherfucking dubs for the damn near 90 pips caught on stream. All right, awesome. We're done with that. Let's call it a session. Signal channel, you guys can go chill. I'm gonna be done here for the session. Gotta go get dressed. Gotta go pick up my daughter from school. Excuse me, and take her to the orthodontist. All right, so Zoom gang, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse. Mods, thank you so much for helping me run another stream. Right, Signal channel, just relax. I'll be trading. We'll be live in the Signal channel tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Right, so if you want to be part of that, make sure you join the Signal channel. And in a circle, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We still have our session. Everybody else, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Love and wisdom to you all, gang. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Oh, and don't drink gay beer. Later!
you